Look,
What?
it's just my head, the top of my head.
I'm already standing.
Oh, you can.
I'm already standing awkwardly. Okay.
Okay. Hey, it's recording already. Oh, sorry. Hello. Hello, hello.
Hi.
Hey, what's up?
So we are currently here in Styria, more to the southeastern side of Styria. Shall I hold it?
Yes, you can.
Okay. Hey guys, so we're currently here in the southeastern side of Styria, which is a region in Austria. Styria is a federal state where we are living in. And we did a little trip to go to a special place, to a special restaurant. It's called Busenschrank, or also some people call it Heuriger. They only serve traditionally cold mixed meat platters, which is very good, very pork based. And we also got bean salads. It's very heavy food, but it's very good. And as you might see here everywhere, it's a very green area that we're in. You can see they are growing grapes and apples here a lot. So it's also a region where we got a ton of wine for those people who like wine. And we get a nice view, basically, of everything that's here. We are approximately 45 minutes outside of the city of Graz. And I can only highly recommend, if you're ever in the area, to come here and try out a restaurant like this.
Can I jump into the bushes?
Is it in my video? Hey.
Some comedy. Can I jump into the bushes?
No, I don't know. Might be a problem.
Oh shoot.
Okay.
Crap.
Hi, J-Man.
Hey, what's up?
So, what did you do after the food?
What, after the food?
After the food?
We just came for a walk, had some discussions, enjoying some fresh air. Nice view right here, as you can see. And walking so we can let the stomach settle after all the food. And I'm wearing black again, you know, unfortunately.
Okay.
And yeah, that's it. I mean, Chris gave the intro of where we are. We're just tourists here after all. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Just a small walk and then go back home, have some coffee with chocolate. And
Another pancake.
after my failed attempt at pancakes today, I did not put oil in the pan. I'm still a noob. Yeah, that's pretty much it, honestly.
Yeah,
Nothing much,
because
right?
the recipe didn't mention about oil.
Yeah, I didn't mention oil or butter in the pan.
It's a bad
I
guy.
blame the recipe.
Yeah.
I'm innocent.
But we understand.
Yep. And that's it, really.
Yeah, thank you.
Nice sunny day.
That's it.
You can say goodbye now.
Or should I translate it in Vietnamese and then I don't need to type it all the time?
No, I think you still have to translate what we say. Yeah, you have to translate everything, yeah.
Yeah, you type it.
No, I don't type it anymore. Tired of typing, really.
Do you just Google Translate?
Last time we don't have a voice.
And that's it.
Yo.
Yo.
Yo! Yeah, but what am I yoing for? Yo is like cheers, right?
Yo. Cheers.
But what are we cheering? Come on. Come on. The cherries are to die for. I just love them so much. Yeah. It comes in a box written on it, Spar Premium. The bright red cherries, they're so good.
About 40 kilometers outside of Graz, 30 to 40.
Okay.
Why it is like that, and why, not to be rude, Americans think like that.
Yeah. But I know on the San Francisco Bridge, I actually learned recently there's this yellow sort of bus that zips the bridge. So it's like literally a zipper that goes through the bridge. It shifts the blocks from left to right while it goes in both directions. I'm not sure if you know about that. I actually recently found out on the... Yeah, it was interesting.
We only have that, which is the zebra stripes.
staring at him. Sure.
Ah,
He came up to me he was eating a sandwich and then there was like a jewel of cheese on his mouth. No, you. Exactly. I actually like these moments where you know in the airport and I think I was transiting in Cairo.
lúa
Egypt.
mì, những cái nòng lúa mì.
I was in the duty free and they're just they love foreigners because basically it's free money. They're taking your money.
Rồi
And
bóc
they're
ra
just
nè.
following you
Bóc.
around, they're showing you perfumes or whatnot. One thing led to the other. They're like, you made us speak English this whole time and you actually speak Arabic. So you guys assumed that was on Arab. Speak, but they said hi in Arabic. I said hello in English. You know, looking dumb. And they're just going on talking about something in Arabic. I don't know what it was. And I was just waiting for them to say something about me, you know, like this guy doesn't speak Arabic or some shit. And then when the elevator opened and I went out, because I was going out before them, I was like, goodbye in Arabic. They just shut up, they stopped talking.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, it is. That's what I'm telling you, next time if you do that and somebody insults you, you just reply in German and then their face is just priceless. They're like, what the fuck just happened?
I don't think it happens too often that you get insulted presidents with the thing.
Yeah. Well, it's not
Angry German dude who's just insulting me.
minutes.
Yeah, I'm standing.
Dem Straßenverlauf von Weinberg Weg einen Kilometer folgen.
Don't expect to speak thank you.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You gotta work on that.
This is in the middle of nowhere. There's just some woods here, apple trees, grapes, mountains in the background. It's sit outside, just like that.
And regardless of the weather, the green is satisfying enough, you know?
Nach 400 Metern rechts abbiegen auf Unterweinbergweg.
Black and red.
My face is
Last,
red, yeah.
so last week. Ah,
Oh, I'm the black guy, you're the red guy?
I'm the bad guy.
alright, yeah.
Oh, you listen to Billie Eilish?
Dann nehmen wir einmal die Rindfleischsülze, einmal das Käsebrot und dann einmal die sauren Käferbohnen.
And what is one?
My drink?
What is that?
That's blackberry with soda. Was it soda? No, yeah, soda. Sparkling, whatever. And that's just tap water.
Okay. And what are you drinking?
I'm drinking sparkling water and pure apple juice.
Pure.
Pure.
Okay.
And you're drinking grape juice,
Grape juice.
also pure.
Also pure.
Or sparkling. I don't remember what you ordered.
Yes. Đây là xung quanh.
What are your plans for the week?
Bên xung quanh nhà.
Really?
Bên kia là nho. Is this the
What are you
real?
on now?
Hey, 1 minute. Is this up there? Is it the real one?
What? Those are real grapes.
Grapes?
Yeah,
Oh.
of course.
Ah.
So, den Unterstützer. Danke. Und die Bohnen, gell?
Ja,
Tất cả là đồ lạnh hết nha.
Mahlzeit.
This is sauce. Wow. Meat, egg.
This is on a whole bread.
Can you do it? I could not reach there.
Oh.
Can you help me? Thanks. Anything.
Okay.
That's it.
President cheese. It's like the brand is called, isn't it? Really? Okay. Thought it was familiar in Europe. But anyway, that's like it's not blue cheese, but it's a stinky-ish cheese. And I got used to it from a young age. It's amazing.
Bên kia là một dãy bàn khác. Đây là nhà bếp. Đây là nhà bếp. From here. Hello. Xin chào mọi người. Hôm nay là nhóm ăn trưa thay đổi vị trí, không đi xung quanh gần nữa mà chuyển ra một nơi xa, có tên là Weinberg. Nơi đây người ta trồng nho khá là nhiều. Và đồ ăn là đồ ăn địa phương, là thịt mà lúc nãy mọi người thấy đó. Nhưng mà ăn thì hơi nặng bụng. Đây là bạn Simen phải lái khoảng 40 phút mới tới đây được. Đây nho.
I mean, that's what I learned.
It's a car coming just for you to
Ok. Và bây giờ Lan quay lại lấy xe để đi về. Yeah. To talk about. Đây là phía trước của nhà hàng.
I'm not in a bullshitting mood at the moment. You told me the story.
Đây là phía trước của nhà hàng này. Ra trước cửa có chỗ nước rửa tay. Phía xa xa. Yeah, now we're heading back. Hello, Simon.
Yeah, I'm driving.
What's up?
You want to go the same way back?
Weinberg liegen bleiben.
And in my video, just her voice.
Nach links abbiegen, auf Unterweinbergweg zu bleiben. Dann links abbiegen auf Weinbergweg. Links abbiegen auf Weinbergweg. Dem Straßenverlauf von Weinbergweg für 1,5 Kilometer folgen.
This is verlaufen. She said verlaufen. Something?
Folgen.
Folgen?
Folgen.
Bites the dust.